let's use today's creative session to be a bit mindful. Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet, and welcome to day 20 of our Junk Journal January challenge. So let's grab our junk journals and dive into today's creative session and the prompt of mindful. First, when I set up the prompt list, I thought, oh, this will be a super easy prompt, but then as it now comes time to create the spread, I really had to sit there and think for quite a while to come up with something. But I'm really happy with the outcome of today's spread, as I feel like this has to be one of my favorite spreads in the Junk Journal January challenge so far. Here I'm just first writing out mindful on the spread. And for today's session, I decided to just use half of this double spread and situate the journal entry besides the page for still frame, as I feel like those will kind of go together in a way. I feel like the nature-inspired spread I made for still frame really fits well with the whole theme of mindful, and I decided to take a little bit of a twist on the kind of word for today's prompt and make it not just mindful but mindful, as a bit of a question for myself, as I feel like I have so much going on at the moment at the same time, so my head really doesn't feel a lot mindful, as it feels more like a mind so full of everything that it is quite hard to be mindful in a way. And I really wanted to incorporate that in today's spread and make it like a visual journal entry, as I feel like I try to make my sketchbook and my art journal in a way something like that. So I decided to just draw out a face here and then have the transparent paper to draw something on top to kind of illustrate the feeling of having so much going on in your mind and having the ability to swap between maybe a mindful individual and an individual which has a mind completely full. I hope it makes sense. I'm just really happy with how today's spread turned out and the idea I had for that after thinking for quite a while, but I'm really happy and I feel like it paid off really well. It's just a simple face of mine. I feel like I do have the same face syndrome as so many of us artists when I don't have a concrete reference picture, and here I didn't search for one because it was just, I just need a face, whatever kind of. So I just did go with my typical usual illustration kind of way. And yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out in the end, and I feel like the work of this illustration and the idea really paid off, even though the kind of concept is the part that carries it more. I feel like in the end the concept always kind of is the more important part of your art, I feel like. Also maybe all the imperfections in your drawings are what makes it human. And now in the days of AI generated art and pictures and materials taking over the internet by storm, every flaw and imperfection makes your creation more valuable in a way, I guess. Now let's just trace my own sketch and have the second version of the face ready to go in no time, so that we can add the spinning thoughts and dizziness of the full mind to the spread as well. This really turned out one of my favorite spreads from this junk journal challenge so far. Really happy with how this turned out. I hope you enjoyed today's creative session as well, and you had a lot of fun watching me create my spread for Mindful while creating your own, or just spending some time creating with me together. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy, and if you want to join me on my creative adventures, hit the subscribe button down below. See you very soon. Until then, happy creating!